Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 817315. We're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the Corsair C70. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Corsair H100i liquid cooling unit. That is cooling an Intel Core i7 5820K processor. Beside that, you have 32 GB of 2133 MHz RAM that is being cooled by a Black Kingston HyperX memory cooler. For your graphics cards, you selected dual Nvidia Geforce GTX 980s. Between those, you have a 1300 megabits per second network adapter, and at the very bottom, you have an ASUS Zonar STX 7.1 sound card. All your components have been installed on an ASUS X99 Deluxe motherboard. For cable sleeving, you selected individually sleeved red cables, and for lighting, you selected an NZXT hue color changing LED strip. Powering your system is a Corsair RM850 power supply, and for storage, you selected a Samsung 840 Pro Series 512GB SSD, along with a secondary Western Digital 2TB Caviar Black hard drive, which is being cooled by an aluminum hard drive cooler. Taking a look at the front of your computer, starting from the top, you have your power button, your headphone and mic jack, two USB 3.0 ports, your reset button, the control panel for your NZXT Hue lighting system, your Blu-ray reader DVD writer, and your Aerocool F6 XT fan controller. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have your USB BIOS flashback button, 10 USB 3.0 ports, 2 Ethernet, 2 USB 2.0 ports, the antenna jacks for your wireless, and your audio jacks. Now when plugging in your wireless and your sound, please do not use the ports on the motherboard. You want to use the wireless below as well as the sound below on your sound card. And for your graphics cards, you have 6 display ports, 2 HDMI, and 2 DVI. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, your 512GB SSD along with your secondary 2TB hard drive. In System Properties, your Intel Core i7 5820K processor along with 32 GB of RAM, and Windows 8.1 is your operating system. And in Device Manager, your dual Nvidia GeForce GTX 980 graphics cards, your Zonar Essence STX 7.1 sound card, and your 1300 megabits per second network adapter. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.